Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had wonderful holidays. I haven't put a video out in a while because it's just been freezing out here, getting snowstorms and everything in the Northeast. But I'm gonna keep trying to bring you content. Right now what I have is my daily driver in here is a Cadillac Escalade GMT800, I believe it's called. The same body style, same chassis, I mean, as the Silverado, Sierras, Tahoes. This is the ESV, the long version. I've been getting the error code P0496, which is the EVAP system high purge flow. When that happens, sometimes you can't fill up your tank. You know, the nozzle keeps popping and won't pass inspection because the evaporator system sensors won't be ready when you if you have state inspections. And also sometimes I'll have trouble starting, like it'll jump. So this is my daily driver. I really haven't made videos on it, but I'm about to change that piece. When you get those errors, this is what the problem is. So this is the part that goes bad on the engine. This is the Cadillac. My Cadillac has a 6.0 liter LS based engine. This actually goes on top of the engine. There's like a little valve that gets plugged in and recirculates the emissions. If that goes bad, which they usually do on these cars, they usually go bad between 50 and 80,000 miles, so you have to change it. They're really not expensive. I paid like 25 bucks for this one. Here's the part number. I bought a genuine GM, but the part number is right there if you need to get it. I will list it down below as well. It's 125-81282. So I'll be changing this on the truck and see if we get that fixed and get the state inspection done. So let's get to it. Okay. First thing we need to do is remove the beauty cover. This is an 8mm socket. Take out this bolt. This just pops out. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you in here. So the piece in question, so the part right here, this is what I'm gonna be changing. I'm gonna get the lighting. Sorry about that. Is this one right here. This is the one I purchased. So we just gotta disconnect the hose, this plug right here, and take out the bolt. This pops out, we'll pop in the new one, plug everything back in, and hopefully that'll take care of the problem. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so we gotta loosen these two clips right here. And this should pop out. Sorry for the lighting. Trying to get the light for you guys, but it's hard with one hand, two hands. It's hard with two hands. There we go. What you gotta do is come through the left side, push this in all the way. See how it sticks out over here? Once it does that, it pops right off. Take that off. Make sure not to break it. And this, you just pull the tab. Pull on the plug. Like so. Now we gotta get, I think it's a 10mm there, and just that will come right out. Oop. It's not a 10mm, probably still the 8mm. Yeah, so it's still the 8mm. So the same 8mm that takes the cover off, you can use it to remove this bolt. Yeah, here we go. There it goes, popped right off. So this is the piece that goes bad on these trucks. We got to transfer over this little grommet, rubber grommet, transfer over to the new one, put it back, and it should be solved. You see, everything matches. Just got to transfer over the little grommet. Like so. Gonna put a little bit of silicone spray on the O-ring so it sits. Seat it right in the hole and align the passage there for the bolt. Okay. Bolt back. This, you just snug it up. You don't want to kill it. You want to get don't want to get your impact out for this one. Just snug. Just good and tight. That's it. Should be good. Plug this back in. And the hose. That's it. Job done. Put the beauty cover back on. Clear all the codes. And your EVAP system error code should be gone away. So that's it. The job is done. Put the beauty cover back on. Clear all the codes. And your EVAP error code should be going away. Should be able to put fuel on your truck without a problem. The starting issue should go away. And once all the sensors are enabled, you should be able to pass state inspection if you have that in your state. Again, snug. Perfect. And another item I'm gonna install on the truck is this ground strap. This I ordered, genuine AC Delco GM. You can see it there. This ground strap, I bought it, genuine AC Delco. Item number 151799982. I'll list it down in the description as well. This goes from the hood down here to the firewall. As you can see, the truck does not have it. Just got rusted and crumbled away. I threw out the last piece of it like about a week ago. So I'm going to replace it. A lot of people say you don't need to replace it. You don't really need it. But the factory put it there for a reason. And since these Cadillacs are all electronic and very sensitive to grounding, I'm going to replace it. So just 2 bolts and it'll slap right in. 10mm wrench. The other piece. This was this. Something like this. This. Just want to put it in the same position going this way as the factory did. That's it. Nice and snug. I'll leave that on there. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. Just a couple of simple repairs. I changed the vapor canister purge valve on top of the engine, which is gonna solve 3 issues: the gasoline, I don't need to pump the gasoline in, the rough starts, like it jumps when it's gonna start, as well as not getting the evap sensors ready for inspections. If you have state inspections or not, you don't have to worry about that, but you still want to get gas in your truck and want to get it running and starting smooth. Also replaced the ground strap right here from the hood to the firewall. People say it's not necessary, but I like to have everything stocked. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just doing some work on my daily driver in the middle of winter. I am gonna get back and I'll be throwing out that video soon about the Trans Am I already started working on, as well as more stuff. So thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with me. It takes me a while to do videos because I do work during the day and then I have to come home at night. Please subscribe. That helps a lot. The more the channel grows, the easier it becomes for me to be able to bring you videos. And like, subscribe, and share. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.